Hi there, this is Tom from Avant-Garde 911R. Today we have this 1997 Ferrari F355 Challenge. There's been a lot of questions about the car. We don't have a ton of records from some claimed restoration work back in 2016, so we thought we should do a video, show the car, and just present the facts as we see them. We have posted recently this car is outfitted with front challenge struts, but rear street struts, and we've posted the spring part numbers as well. There are, as people have pointed out, some things that a race car would be missing, but that this car has some of the original challenge parts. And so we're going to just go through the underside of the car so that we can show the condition of the underbelly, the floor pan, and show the pinch welds. This car is straight and I don't see any evidence of crash damage. So as we go from the front, we do know that this car has had a respray. We can see a little bit of overspray here. I don't see a lot of overspray on this car, so they did do a nice job of disassembly and masking. But if you look at the front pan, you look at the tunnel and the floor pans, the pinch welds running down both sides of the cars are straight. They're not bent. They haven't been pounded on. There's no evidence that they've been folded over and fixed. The floors don't look to me all the spot welds are intact. Anything that you could say, let's look for originality, and what would you say looks like crash damage? I'm looking for that and I don't see any evidence. I see proper wheel well pinch welds. I see proper drainage holes. I see all the way down both sides of the car. Everything looks proper and straight. I look back at this rear subframe panel. I don't see any evidence of any repair work. I don't see any bent pieces that have been pounded straight. Then you go to the far rear of the car where the cradle is that holds the suspension and gearbox. Of course, that could have been replaced, but I don't see any evidence that there's any mounting points that have had any work done to them. I don't see any evidence of any tubes that have been bent and re-straightened. So overall, I would have to say if there was any kind of crash damage to this car ever in its life, it was minimal body panel type damage that has been repaired properly during the body restoration work. The frame, the subframes, the belly of this car, all to me looks to be original. It looks to me to be straight and unrepaired. So the facts that I can see are that this car is a really solid challenge car. And we also, some of our contributing commenters have said that this car's never been raced. There's no evidence of that, which has not ever been claimed. It's always been claimed that this car was just built as a street car, entitled for the street and used on the street. So anyway, thank you very much for the time and watching our video. Hopefully people will bid accordingly, and this car is just really, really special. It's hard to find these cars as it is, much less in this condition. Thanks so much.